So, in Spanish, all nouns have gender. They're either masculine or feminine. So the real question is, how do I know if my noun is masculine or feminine? We're going to use definite and indefinite articles. When I say a noun is masculine or feminine, I am not talking about it being a boy or a girl. I'm just talking about whether it's masculine or feminine. No noun in Spanish is going to be both. It's either going to be masculine or feminine. And so the real question becomes, which one is which? And how can I tell? Well, if you've looked on your vocabulary list, every noun that I've given you has an article. It either has el, la, los, las, un, una, unos, or unas. And on your last vocabulary list and on your quiz you just took, you noticed that those words all meant either the, a, an, or some. So let's see how articles work in English just as a refresher course. So these are the articles in English. We have the cookie on the table. A specific cookie on the table. Or the cookies on the table. A set of cookies on the table. You have a cookie on the table. It could be any cookie, doesn't have to be any one in particular, could just be any cookie. Nothing definite about it. Or some cookies. More than one cookie, but some. Let's look at this. So if you just look at this picture here, here are some cookies. If I told you I want the cookie on the top, that is definite. You know which cookie I want. Or if I want the two cookies from the bottom, you know that I'm wanting these two cookies right here. If I want the cookie in the top, I want that one, or the one that fell off. Those are definite. Those are times that I'm talking about specific things. But if I said to you, bring me a cookie, does it matter to me which cookie you bring to me? No. I don't really care which cookie you bring to me, as long as you bring me a cookie. It could be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. As long as you bring me a cookie, I will be happy, and my tummy will be happy. If I said to you, bring me some cookies, you could bring me all of those cookies, or just two, or three, or whatever. Now, here are those same sentences translated into Spanish. La galleta en la mesa. La meaning the. Las galletas en la mesa. Las meaning the. Una galleta en la mesa. Una meaning a. Unas galletas en la mesa. Unas meaning some. When we would use an is when our noun starts with a vowel, and that vowel, words that start with a vowel, we use an. Now, let's figure out how these nouns are and how, not these nouns, excuse me, but these articles are and how they help us in Spanish. So here are the definite articles. El means the. La also means the. You see, el is masculine, la is feminine. Both of these words are singular. Los means the, las means the. Both of these words are plural. So if you see a word on your vocabulary list that says el, you know that it's masculine and it's singular. If you see a word on your vocabulary list that is la, it's feminine and singular. Los, masculine and plural. Las, feminine and plural. These are all of the definite articles. El, la, los, las. And all of the definite articles mean the. Now for the indefinite articles. Un means a or an. It's masculine and singular. Una means a or an as well, but it goes with feminine nouns, and it's also singular. Un, una, both mean a or an. Unos means some. Unas means some. Unas is feminine. Unos is masculine. They're both plural. So your singular indefinite articles are a and an, and they're plural. And your plural one, your singular indefinite articles are a and an, and they are un and una, and your plural ones are unos and unas, and they mean some. And there are all of the articles right there. Now it's time to practice.